For over 50 years, the family-owned businesses of AMF-Bruns have been providing the safest, quickest, and easiest to use wheelchair securement systems worldwide. AMF-Bruns is continually researching and improving wheelchair passenger transportation. We're proud to develop and market the Easy Pull for rear entry vehicles. Easy Pull is the world's most innovative heavy-duty winch and front securement system for wheelchairs. It features an innovative design that steers a wheelchair passenger up a ramp, self-tensions, and secures by remote control. An ideal solution for mobility passengers and operators. Features of the Easy Pull. The Easy Pull features a compact design, automatic tensioning that's easy to use and operate. The system is safer by reducing liability of ramp tip-overs. The wireless remote control make operation easy to use. An audible signal indicates the system is unsecured and unlatched. Magnetic indicators to signify a secure, safe front belt position. Finally, Easy Pull is the fastest and easiest way to safely secure a passenger in rear entry vehicles and features a 2-year warranty replacement. Safety. Safety is the main purpose for all our products and system innovations. We test our products at our in-house crash testing facility or at an independent laboratory. The Easy Pull meets the applicable requirements of ISO 10542, FMVSS and CMVSS 209-302, CSA Z605, and the ADA. Systems are crash tested at 30 miles per hour at 20 Gs of force. Easy Pull has been designed to provide safe and dependable service if it is installed properly using our instructions and serviced by an experienced and trained technician, used only for wheelchair mobility in forward-facing applications, properly maintained, cleaned, and inspected regularly. Any broken, worn components must be replaced. Report any defects to your supervisor, authorized dealer, or AMF-Bruns. The Easy Pull, along with a compliant occupant securement, makes a complete wheelchair securement. A head and backrest, such as the eFutureSafe, will greatly assist to prevent injury in vehicle crash situations. Crash and sled tests demonstrate higher levels of safety when a head and backrest is used in a rear impact. Vehicle loading preparation. Easy Pull must only be used in vehicles that are specifically designed or converted to transport special needs passengers. The vehicle must be fitted with an access ramp for this purpose. Users should be fully trained on how to operate the Easy Pull and have been expressly designated to do so by the owner. To ensure everyone's safety, apply the vehicle's emergency brake. Next, remove the ignition key. Open the rear doors or tailgate. Finally, fold out the access ramp. Loading a passenger with the Easy Pull. First, accompany occupied wheelchair to the bottom of the access ramp. Be sure to always apply the wheelchair's wheel locks or power off chair. Next, pick up the Easy Pull's belts with both hands. Make sure the belts don't get twisted. Press and hold push-button A on the remote control to reel the belts out slowly, or press and hold push-button C to reel the belts out quickly. A beeping sound signals that the winch is unlatched. Pull the electrically operated belts out to the wheelchair. Release the push button on the remote control. Attach the belts to the front of the wheelchair by the belt's loops or hooks, making an approximate 40 to 60 degree angle. Once again, ensure the belts aren't twisted. Pulling wheelchair into vehicle. Position yourself behind the wheelchair and hold it firmly. Release the wheelchair's wheel locks. Adjust the magnets to where you want the belts to stop, slightly in front of the passenger's feet. Press and hold button B on the remote control. Guide the wheelchair as it's pulled into the rear of the vehicle until magnets touch the base unit of Easy Pull. Release push button B. Readjust the magnets if necessary. When the wheelchair is at final position, we can now secure the rear of the wheelchair using the existing rear securements. Apply the wheelchair's wheel locks. A beeping sound signals that Easy Pull is latched and secured into position. Next, finish securing the wheelchair with 2 AMF Protector Series rear restraints, making an approximate 30 to 45 degree angle. Always ensure that the wheelchair securements are attached to a solid frame member of the wheelchair. Finally, secure the wheelchair passenger with occupant securements. Fold up the access ramp and close the rear doors or tailgate. To ensure everyone's safety, apply the vehicle's emergency brake. Remove the ignition key. Open the rear doors or tailgate and fold out the access ramp. Pulling wheelchair out of vehicle. Start by removing the passenger's occupant securements. Detach and remove the rear belts and store in wall storage pouch. Take up a position behind the wheelchair and keep a firm hold of it. Release the wheelchair's wheel locks and keep chair powered off. Reeling the easy pull belts back into vehicle. Press and hold push button A on the remote control to reel the belts out slowly, which allows the wheelchair to slowly move backwards out of the vehicle. As a warning, do not use push button C with an occupied wheelchair as the system releases quickly. A beeping sound will signal that the easy pull is unlatched and unsecured. Accompany the wheelchair passenger out of the vehicle. Watch your step as you manually back the wheelchair down the ramp. Remain in position behind the wheelchair until it's left the access ramp completely. Next, apply the wheelchair's wheel locks and keep the chair powered off. Detach the easy pull belts from the wheelchair. Press and hold push button B on the remote control and the easy pull reels the belts into the vehicle. Using both hands, guide the belts as they're being reeled in. Make sure the belts don't get twisted. Release push button B. Fold the access ramp up. Close the rear doors or tailgate. As a worldwide leader in mobility safety equipment, AMF-Bruns continues to innovate in the markets they serve. To learn more about the Easy Pull, contact AMF-Bruns at 877-506-3770 or visit us on the web at www.amfbrunsamerica.com. This video is intended for instructional purposes only. Always refer to the documentation to ensure proper use.